We've added some new features and some new navigation in Pronto, which we're very excited about it. So just to give you a quick overview of some of the new features. You come in on the dashboard page and you would click View More Detail, and it's quickly going to take you to the pounds purchased and the sales dollars purchased from O'Neill this year versus last year. It'll list your top 10 items purchased year to date overall. And you can click in the grid, so to see by spending by product type. So these are the top 10 tube and pipe products, and you also can continue on with plate if you want to. And we show a chart below for the last 12 months, the pounds and spend purchased by month. So different ways to use this. So you can kind of click through here and find the information for your product that you purchased from us. So we're excited to add these analytics to Pronto. And to get back to the kind of the beginning, you would click the Pronto logo in the top left. It takes you to the dashboard. And you would go to get to the quote, you would click Shop Pronto. And this is going to take you to the traditional home screen, which we're used to seeing. Here you can just click Plate, Hot Roll, and that will take you into the products page. Here you can use the filters across the top to select the items that you want. So say we want 1/4 and 3/8 and apply. You can continue on with the other filters, or you can use the search box as well here. So I'll use a combination of these two. So now I'll put in 60 wide. And so I'm ready to put some items in the cart. So we'll put 5 of these in the cart. And we'll scroll down a little bit and put the 5 of this item in the cart. So the cart button is in a slightly different place. It is on the top right up here. So I've got 2 items in the cart. So I click that and it's going to take me to the cart. Just as usual with the cart, if I want to place an order, I can just put a PO number. I see the blue in the cart, which means to update, which I do. Then I can proceed to checkout. And then I can quickly place the order. So the Pronto's working the same. It's just it's got some new navigation features that make it nice to get around. You can click the products button, and this will take you directly to the products page, right where I left off. So I can clear out my filters and start over. Then I can use the filtering on the left to get the product I need into the cart. So in this case, I'll just say pipe and stainless, and I'll put that item in the cart. Again, I can use the filters across the top, or I can use the search box, or I can just scroll down, just add a quantity, put 5 of those in there, click add, and that item is in the cart. So we would recommend when you're done with the product grouping to clear out your filters. So next time in, it'll be unfiltered, and you can use the filters on the left to get what you need. I do have 1 item in the cart, so I can go back to the cart quickly, and at this time we'll just place a quote. So we'll save a quote for later, and that quote's been saved. So the navigation really works very similar to before, but we do have the added feature of the dashboard, which is the analytics piece. If you ever want to go directly to the products page, just go click to the products on the top. And if you want to go to the traditional home screen, start shopping here, you can, and then you can just click the product that you want and the metal type, and it'll take you into the products page, the same place that you would be if you came in through the products page on the top here. So this is kind of general navigation. Just certainly encourage you to play around and check out the different features that we have, but we're glad to add a good new feel to it that looks better, and hopefully we feel like it's easier to navigate through Pronto. As always, let us know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.